everyone, let's make an interactive card today. So I'm using Spellbinder's Dancin Douglas, and I cut out 2 of the green pieces so that I could make 2 at the same time and then also alternate just like that cover looked because I loved how that looked. And so each of these pieces has indentations on it, and that's all I'm doing for the ornament. I just followed where the indentations are for those little squirrely pieces. And then I'm gonna feed through this black piece and just glue it together on the back. And then now you have a cute little ornament for him to hold. And I already put that other one together. So that one's all done. And then let's put together this tree. They have the little indentations. And so you just put the glue right on the pieces and it's super quick to put together. Super fun. And I actually made this kit for my 10-year-old niece. And she is gonna have a ball. And this is so easy to put together. So I love how they have the little feet and then the little gloves. And then there's little white edge pieces for each. The big ones go on the bottom and then the smaller ovals go on the gloves. Other than that, super easy. And I just love how this comes together. It's so cute. And then the little eyeballs, you just put those little black pieces on there. And I put it together a little bit with the eyes close together for this first one. And then the second one, I did them a little further apart. Totally up to you. And I love both of them. They came out super cute. And I posed it exactly the same as the front. I think it came out the same as the example, but I thought it was just really well done. So no reason to change it. And so then I put it together a second time. So I'm quickly now putting on the little baubles that it comes with. I also liked the layout they went with, so I did it exactly the way the cover did. And then I'm just putting it on a red card base and then some paper from my stash that had the little trees that matched my paper. It actually worked out perfectly. And then I'm going to use the Make It Merry sentiments. And they had really cute sentiments that I cut out in gold foil paper. And then I'm just going to alternate it for each of these. And I thought I'd do a little bit different. I decided that this one I'd have the sentiment on the bottom and then the other one up in the left corner. So how you make these swing, I really like the Tailored Expressions foam sticky circles. They're super awesome. And then usually I use my own foam tape, but I was using the foam tape that I'm sending to my niece. And so that's what I was showing her where to put her little foam squares. But you can use whatever foam you want. Just make sure you stay away from the bottom so that it swings. And then I put the sentiment on the bottom here, and then I put a little foam dot up underneath that ornament so that it can still swing, and so it's still supported at the top. And then this is what they both look like together. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.